Who are you?
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Visible, the virtual artificial intelligence developed by Visible Technologies. I am always on your command.
Stop. Hello Visibles, welcome back. Finally, Visible AI mobile application has been finished, and one of the great thing is that it supports both iOS and Android, and it has some basic functionalities like open Google, open YouTube, time, who are you, stop, start functionalities. If any modification or functionality need to be added, please suggest me. So let's get started. I'm going to open the app, and also make sure that your internet connection is always on, and I'm going to open the app.
Welcome back. I am Visible. Please tell me, how may I help you? The time is 9 hours 19 minutes and 56 seconds.
Open Google.
Opening Google.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Guys, if you like this video, please share, subscribe, and also follow us for more helpful project videos, and please share among your friends. And thank you and have a great day, and let's see you next time.